Designing a crochet top part 1. Designing a crochet top part 2. Starting over. The bra cup was too big, so I'm starting over. My 3rd time redoing this.
So I just finished this crochet pattern design, and after trying it on, I realized that the back portion where you have the arm strap is too wide, so it's making the shoulders fall off of me. I do not want to start this over because I've done this pattern like 2 or 3 times now, and I've rewritten every single time that I figured something was wrong with it. So now I think I'm just gonna redo the sleeves, and maybe instead of making this 12 inches, I'll do 14, and then we'll see if that kind of fits me better instead of making it fall off. But other than that, it's really cute. If you guys have any name suggestions, please comment below because I'm trying to figure out what to name this top design. So I'm currently working on this crochet top, and I only have this much yarn left to complete the project. So right now I thought it would be cute to add, you know, I don't know what it's specifically called, but a hole like on my shoulder. So I have to create some other straps along this side. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'll keep you guys updated on how the journey goes. So hopefully it turns out right, because I've redid this pattern like 3 times already. Bye.